Figma Config 2024. Figma has just announced so many updates in their last config event. We have a brand new feature in Figma which is Figma Slides. We can create presentation like a pro with advanced design capabilities, co-creation tools and built-in features. We have crazy changes in developers mode also. Now in their mode, new status like edited and completed make it easier to communicate what is changed and ready. Figma has introduced AI features, so now we can give a prompt and it will generate the design. Using your custom design system, it will be all done within the Figma board. Now you can upload an image and find an exact match or similar design in the community. AI will rename your messy layers in a single click based on your design. You don't have to worry about that. Figma toolbar has been completely changed. We will see that in bottom now. So Figma auto layout features is totally changed now. Auto layout will automatically apply on your design in just one click. Figma has merged the auto layout feature and hug fill container and fixed height feature. This is really going to be crazy. Thanks for watching.